Welcome to the Trick Shift Garage. In this video, I'm going to show you guys real quick how to clean your mass airflow sensor for 2015 Chevrolet Silverado. This goes from years 2014 on to 2019. This will also work for the GMC Sierras as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is you want to locate your mass airflow sensor. Since I have the K&N air filter system on here, mine's going to be a little bit different, but it's going to be basically right here. Now, if yours is stock, yours is going to be located more over here. You have your air box, and then right past the air box, your mass airflow should be right around here. All we need to do is disconnect the electrical connector, and we do that by pulling this red tab out, and then all we have to do from there is squeeze that little black tab in there, and then pulls out. All right, so the next step is we're going to take off or unscrew the actual MAF sensor, and it's going to be these two little hex screws right here, okay? Now the size is T15, which I have a T15 screwdriver here, but if you don't have that, you can also use a 1/8 inch hex. So you can see a little screw right there. Use my Allen wrench this time. Okay, and now the main event, pulling out the MAF. Just pull it straight out. Here's your MAF sensor. All right, so here's our MAF sensor, and yes, I put gloves on because I don't want to get anything dirty or grimy with my oily fingers. But as you can see, it's dirty. Now the point you want to clean really is you want to focus in on those little wire elements, those sensors inside there, okay? Basically, it's good to clean the MAF sensor every once in a while. Clean it when you replace the air filter, or you do a tune-up. It's always good to clean this off. So all I'm going to use is mass airflow sensor cleaner. Whatever can you use or brand that you use, make sure it says mass airflow sensor cleaner. You don't want to use brake clean, or you don't use throttle body cleaner. This stuff is specifically designed to clean these without leaving any residue or varnishes behind. So all I gotta do, I'll put my straw on, okay, and I'm gonna just hold it over here, and I'm just gonna spray the crap out of it for like, I don't know, 15-20 seconds to soak this thing through. And get right in there, right there on the elements, the sensors. Okay, we're gonna come around this side here, spray that there as well. Back side. Back to there, spray this side too. All right, I think this is good. So now we're just going to let it go ahead and dry off. I would leave it to dry out for at least half an hour. That's what I usually do when I clean these. So we're going to let it dry off, and then we'll go ahead and put it back in. So we have our cleaned up mass airflow sensor. You want to make sure that this side here with the open element, you can see the sensor in there. You want to make sure that is facing your air filter, which is down this way. And just line up. We'll grab one screw at a time, get it in there. Okay, so we got these both nice and snug. Last but not least, we'll take our electrical connector. Okay, and we'll push it on, and then just push this little red tab, and that will lock it in place. All right, that's it for this video. The MAF sensor's all cleaned up. The engine's running well. No engine codes or anything like that. So if you like our work, go ahead, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell for more Trick Shift Garage videos, and we'll see you on the next one.